Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. This Lume set is really amazing. It is a game changer for the stinkiness.
This stuff is for real amazing. I love it. And the scent is really good. It's very mild, but you can still smell it. So usually I use the stick first and then I take the cream and I put it under my armpits. It just feels so good and I feel so fresh. And then you can put it on wherever else you want. The bar of soap is really sudsy, which I like. I use it on my face, my body, and it feels nice and smooth on my hands. This one's my favorite. It's the body wash, and as you can see, I use it so much.
So if you're looking for something that can combat odor, last for a long time, I would highly recommend this product. I also love that you can use it on your whole body because it's not just your armpits that smell. So I would highly recommend this product. I use it all the time. As you can see, this one is almost gone. I got to re-up on some more. I love this product and I would recommend it. And that's my point of view.